Good job, bud. Is that from Uncle Dan? Yeah, Uncle Dan. You open that? Good job, bud.
Alright.
Whoa, what is that? Oh, is that Star Wars? Whoa.
Happy 8th birthday, Charlie.
There's a good shot of that right there.
What?
Ages 8 to 12. So Dan's 6 years early, big deal. Now he won't be late.
Oh, it comes with people, too.
Uh-oh. It is open.
Okay.
Good job.
Here.
You want to open something else?
Yeah, come on, let's see what's in the bag.